of crops and the falling of fruits. Kailashis prepare a month in advance, sew new clothes, cook food, and on August 22nd perform traditional dances and sing songs in the world's oldest language. The journey to Kailash is very difficult, but I would still suggest you to visit Kailash at least once in your life if you have not seen it. This experience will truly be a unique and memorable experience of your life. You will remember Kailash all your life. For more travel log, subscribe our YouTube channel, Zigzag News. We make it special.